Hey guys, Ross here from Lifestyle Property People. So I'm currently studying a property that we've just completed on. This is a 2-bedroom mid-terrace spread over 3 floors with a basement as well. So I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the property and show you a couple of the items that we'll be doing as part of the refurb. So I'm in the 2nd bedroom, which is on the 2nd floor. So I just wanted to give you a look. So check out this bedroom. Bit of an odd choice of colour design, but each to their own. So we'll be changing that to magnolia. As you can see on the shine on that wall, it's a bit of a silky finish, a bit like silk or gloss kind of thing. So we may need to do a bit of sanding down. Either way, it'll get sorted. I'm going to change the carpets. So yeah, nice big room. Just a shame on the choice of colour, but we will head downstairs and see what else the property has to hold for us. So we'll go into the 1st bedroom next. So we're going to look at changing the carpets. It'd be ideal to change them, make them more appealing, more of a neutral colour. I just need to go over some numbers before I commit to that. I'm going to change the curtain pole, possibly paint that wall. Previous owners clearly liked purple. Sorry, when I say change the wall, paint the wall to match the rest of the room. And then just a bit of touching up here and there. As you can see, there's a bit of discolouring on the wall down there and where the socket's been added. Not too much work, but it's generally just bringing it up to a presentable standard for potential tenants. Want them to have a walk around and look and think, yeah, I can see myself living here. So the bathroom is absolutely lovely. Not what I'd expect to find in this type of property. The tiling that's been done is lovely. I was really shocked when I first walked in this bathroom. You could potentially leave this room as it is, but there are a few minor things that I've picked up on, such as, you know, the bath panel needs fixing back, the painting on that board. As you can see in the corner here, a bit of dirt around the edge of the bath. Just really small items that just drag the bathroom down a bit. With it being so lovely, it'd be a shame to leave them. So yeah, I think this is going to be a really good selling point for potential tenants. As I say, it's not what we expect to find. So I'll take you downstairs. Again, the stairs, we're going to hopefully be changing the carpet once I've looked at the numbers. So we are now in the living room. It's not a bad room at a quick glance. There are a few items that do need picking up on. In the corner there, it looks as if it's suffered from damp maybe, so we'll be getting that looked into, sanding it down probably because I don't think it's anything major, then just tidying up the walls, getting the property into a lettable condition. It's not far off a lettable condition as it is, but we would like to be able to give potential tenants a bit of a wow factor when they have a look round, just so that there's no delays in getting tenants in. Obviously the short period that the property is empty, the better for everybody. So yeah, that's the living room. Now going to the kitchen. It's quite a nice kitchen. It looks like it's been done in the last few years. It's in decent condition. Fairly modern. It's a little bit of, again, just touching up and bringing to a lettable standard. Bit of wallpaper that needs sticking back there, a bit of sanding around the window where the paint's flaking. Paint the room, make it look nice and freshly painted and new and kind of welcoming. So yeah, that's the property. As you can see, there isn't a great deal to do. It's more just picking up on the little bits that are dragging the property down as it is. So I'm expecting a 2-week turnaround on the refurb, then we'll get the keys to the letting agent. and I don't think it'll take too long to get this one let out. It's reasonably close to the town centre, it's in a decent area, so yeah, great stuff. So if you have any questions or you want to know any more information, just get in touch with myself or one of the team. See you soon, guys.